Well, welcome back everyone, welcome back me, welcome back you. We are finally back on the channel. Now I've got a couple of little surprises up my sleeve. I don't know if you can understand one of them yet, but we're finally just getting out for a ride, just to cut this little roundabout. Yeah, I've been off the bike for a little while actually, and it's been disappointing. Hopefully you can hear me properly on this microphone. The last couple of episodes in the Finish series, the microphone started playing up, so hopefully you can hear me. I will find out when I get back to the editing room. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it's finally a nice sunny day. Where I am, it's been raining for quite some time. We actually had some storm alerts and whatnot, and yes, anyway, so it's finally a sunny day, and I thought, why not get out for a ride? Now we're going to do a little bit of TET. I think it's TET section 4 possibly, but section 4 where, Tom? Where section 4? Well, wouldn't you like to know? I am in France.
You don't frighten us, English pig dogs! Go and boil your bottom, sons of a silly person!
How'd you get to France, Tom? Why the hell didn't you tell us, Tom? Well, it was a spur of the moment thing. We kind of made the decision as I got back from Finland. When I got back from Finland, I was like, screw it, I want to go to France. And so we did. We're now in France. We've had a couple of issues along the way, which is why I haven't been on the bike, which was a bit annoying. Our car decided to absolutely shit itself, and so we've been running around like headless chooks trying to figure out what to do. And buying a car in France as a foreigner isn't as simple as you would hope. And so anyway, we've figured it all out. My problem, not yours. Worked it all out and we're sorted. But now I'm back on the road. Anyway, I'll pick you back up when I get on to the TET. Ciao. We are just about to hit the TET. This was about 15 kilometers from where I'm staying at the moment. Okay, Stony TET. Now this is my first experience of the TET here in France, so let's see what it's all about. So there could be a few washouts, let's see. I also have a secret weapon up my sleeve that you guys don't know about yet. So let's see what this is all about. Oy, very stony. Bloody hell. Oh, this is, so I did my first ever hairpin turn on a bitumen road coming here to France. It's funny to say that I've never done a full hairpin, which is a bit wild to think, actually. And now I've done full hairpins on dirt, but never on road, and it was such a strange experience. Like, you don't think of it when you're just out and about riding, but a hairpin is like a proper hairpin. I'm not talking about a long flowy one. A proper hairpin, sometimes it can catch you out if you're not paying attention, because they turn all of a sudden, and especially when it's on a mountain. Most of the time they're on a mountain, and it's quite steep, and it catches you out. Anyway, oh well, that's a neutral. I didn't hit the gear selector hard enough. Oh yeah, this is a bit of fun. Got to be mindful when you're on the other side of the track as well. Like, stick to your side of the track as much as you can, guys. And if you're riding on the other side, you need to really make sure there's no one coming the other way. So I switch sides when I can see up ahead, and if my side has, I don't know, some big ass rocks or something like that. Anyway, that's it for me. Oh yeah, that was a fun little climb. Bit stony, but you get that on the big jobs. I really hope you can hear me, because I was quite disappointed with the end of my series, my Finland series. I didn't realise the microphone wasn't working, and I don't even know why it wasn't working. It just, all of a sudden it stopped. I think maybe there was an update, or I don't know, something dodgy going on with the company. Like, something happened, and then all of a sudden, oh, you can't use this microphone without an adapter, or some bullshit. Anyway, hopefully it's sorted out now. This is quite cool. Very stony, like big chunky stones. See some tracks going off to the right. I think this is just an area where people like to do things. Oh, stones. Yeah. Now I'm just doing a short video today, little ride out, just to dip my feet back in it. Bit of fun, bit of mud. Oh, it wasn't too difficult. Interesting. I might need to show you guys something. One moment, let's just get through this rocky section. Oh my god, so many rocks. You wouldn't want to be going too quick through here. You'll bloody bust your rim up or something. And then it turns to sand, lulls you into a false sense of security, and then bam, rocks. Take that. Whoa. Whoa, and then all the shadows on top of it. Oh, this is interesting. There's like a path in the middle. Let's put you in a bit of sunshine and show you something. Very stony, bloody hell. Oh, I just realised as well. Oh my god, I'm out of practice, hey. Got to put it in enduro mode. My suspension was in its lowest setting. Far out, Brussels sprout. Oh, stones. So many stones. Oh my goodness. I mean, if it was like this the whole way, that wouldn't be particularly nice, would it? Especially if you're trying to spend Oh, a couple of weeks getting through France on this trail. Let us pull it up right here in the middle of everything. Are there any bears in France? Okay, let's do this. I want to show you guys something. Are you ready? Are you ready, kids?
Are ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Okay, you ready? You ready? Boom! Can you see? Look at the tire. Look at the tire. Oh my. I finally did it, guys. I finally did it. I got the Metzeler Karoo 4s. After a lot of research and debate, and there was forums on it and whatnot, seems like the Karoo 4 is basically the best option for this bike. I will be the judge of that. We will soon find out. They seem pretty good so far, but I haven't had too much technical terrain. Now, unfortunately, because of some things that have happened, I had to ride these on the road for about 200 kilometers first. Anyway, bit unfortunate, but hey, what are you going to do? Anyway, I finally did it. Metzeler Karoo 4s on my nice GS. The Anarchy Adventures, they were great tyres. They were really good. They did exactly what I needed them to do. They introduced me to the bike. They held their own off-road. Like, I must say, they did a reasonably good job off-road. I could ride this with the Anarchy Adventures quite easily. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's very stony. Bloody hell. It's not nice to ride, actually. Oh, watch out for branches. Oh, jeez. Jeez Louise. Anyway, what I've noticed... Oh, I mean, when I first put on the Karoo 4s, they felt so weird. So weird. On the road, they just they drop you into corners. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, they feel so weird. So, in slow speed on the road, it actually makes it feel really heavy. And I think that's down to the fact of the knobs trying to keep you upright. And yeah, they feel super heavy. Once you get moving and then you go to drop into a turn, it just drops. Like, just goes whomp straight into the turn. And they feel like they have plenty of grip on road. I just did that little road section to get here, and they felt really good. Ooh. Just making sure tires still have air in them. This is some savage off-road. Bloody hell. Take you a while to get through all this. Yeah, anyway, they feel quite good on road. So I was reading about them, and they've got, like, the tire itself is quite, if you can see this, it's quite round. Like, not the tire, like the top of the tire. If you're looking, oi, stop rolling backwards. Honestly, if you're looking at the tire straight on, that section is quite round. And so I think it's because it's meant for road performance as well, I think. Anyway, so that it gives you slightly less grip off road. It's a compromise between the two. It's like grip on road, grip off road. But it's so far it feels nice. I'd like to get it in some different terrain, not so much this rocky stuff. Like some dirt trails would be nice. Bit of mud maybe, I don't know. Try it out. Which I certainly will, guys. I certainly will try it all out. Oh, it looks like there might even be some mud down here for me to try it. Let's see. Now you guys will know on the Anarchy Adventures, mud is just their nemesis. That wasn't too bad, but also I don't think that was too slippery either. But yeah, the Anarchy Adventures, mud was just done. Give up. Hey how are ya? Hey how are ya? Rocky stony stones. Hopefully there's no one behind me waiting on like a 250 enduro yelling at me in French.
French! Why do you think I have this outrageous accent, you silly king?
Doesn't look like it. Anyway, I'm in the land of baguettes. Baguettes and croissants.
Baguettes. Baguette.
Oh, third gear even. Settle down, matey-o. Chicka bow wow. Chicka chicka wah. Woohoo! That's more like it. A little bit. Oh, back to stones. We're back to stones. I love those little washouts. They're so fun. We have quite a lot of them in Australia when you're going up hills. They're like, yeah, water washouts. I think they're built on purpose though. And they're very fun. I think it's Blue Ridge Trail in Victoria is famous for them. Very good trail to ride. Go and do it if you're ever in Australia. Blue Ridge Trail. I'm pretty sure that's the name of it. Oh. Or Blue Ridge Line. Anyway, look it up. YouTube it. Ooh. Very stony, stony, stony. I'm not in Estonia anymore. Ooh, big rock. This bloody mount thing keeps moving. Shocking. I mean, it is pretty harsh. Oh, we need to turn. Apparently. That's where I want to go. Probably could have cut through that section, but anyway, it was that road there. Oh, we're on top of a little hill. A little hill. And now we're going down. Oh, oh, oh. Oh yeah. So today's video is going back to my original format, where I kind of just ride until the batteries die. Oi! That didn't sound nice. A rock flicked up from the I'm gonna slow it down. Stone flicked up into my bash plate or something. Just lovely. I haven't reduced tire pressures at all because of the stones. It's better to have a bit higher tire pressures, I think. I think that's what is said. And that way the stones can't really affect your rims or something along those lines. Oh, it's quite steep. You guys probably again can't see that it is steep, but it is steep. Ooh, ooh. If I have to come back up that, ooh, watch out. I mean, I'm sure I can with these new Fandango tyres. They're not Fandangos. Bit of mud. Not too difficult. Oh, Jesus, big rock. It's quite hot as well, 19 degrees. Bloody smoking. I think Estonia is already down to like 5 degrees during the day or something, which is part of the reason why we left for now, trying to escape the winter. Now this is muddy water, I can't see in it, so I need to take it super easy. Don't go ploughing through like a maniac. Looks like there could be a workaround, but there's no point. It's stony bottom. I got new tyres, but yeah, there could be just a big stone waiting for you. Anyway, that was easy. But yeah, I wouldn't want to take it any quicker than that. Something's lurking in the muddy water waiting for you. Okay, we've got an uphill. I need to concentrate a little bit. It's not too steep. We had one of these in Finland, just one uphill climb that was a bit difficult, loose and whatnot. Oh yeah, some big stones. Don't get whiskey throttle, and I'm going straight for this one. France seems to have a lot of Trans-Euro trail. Like, I think the French linesman has been working overtime to get these trails. I'm not sure if it's just one or is there a couple. If you're the French linesman, comment down below. Tell me, is it just you, or is there a couple of yous that are creating all these trails? If it's just you, you're bloody mental, eh? You ride a lot. Little zigzags. I wonder if this is what it's like. The whole trail section 4 or in this area. Oh my goodness. Stony much? I'm just in first and I'm letting the gear do most of the work. I've got my fingers on the brake if I need them, but first gear is doing the job. Woo. Now I need to rest my hands for a moment. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's no need to rush over this sort of stuff, guys. No need. Even these, no need to rush. Be prepared for a knock on your front tyre. Apparently I still have air in my tyres. That's a good sign. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Bit washed out. Again, I'm in first gear. I'm dancing, using my body weight. Oh, and I'm looking where I want to go. Except for now, I don't want to go over there. Look where you want to go, don't look where you don't want to go, or something along those lines. Oi, 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 and don't get whiskey throttle. Oh yeah, stony. Oh, I'm gonna sit down for a moment. I'm buggered. I actually don't know how much fuel I have. Oh my god. Good thing I checked. I don't actually have much fuel. Oh. I think I'm pretty close to a lot of towns. But far out, I am hot, hey. In the entire length of Finland, there was nothing like this. Nothing, I tells ya. Something coming out of the ground. Oh, bit of a hill climb. Sneaky hill climb. It's okay, I got it covered. Oh, it's a bitumen road. That might be the end of today's video, guys. Might be it. One and done. Like I said, it was just a short one, little intro to France. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you heard today's video. That's the most important thing. Hopefully you heard today's video. If you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see some more of what's coming, France, Italy, places like that, make sure to subscribe down below. There's actually, if you're on your computer or your mobile phone, there's a little icon which will be this side, down the bottom there. You can see it's like a little branding icon. You can just click on that and subscribe. I'll wait. I'm waiting. Subscribe. Alright guys, peace out. See you in the next one. Beautiful little French village. Cute. Oh, that's a cool place. We are gonna turn left. Oh, this is such a quaint little village. So nice.